Hey skincare lovers, are you tired of dark spots, pigmentation or uneven skin tone? Well, I have got a game-changing solution for you today. Let's dive into my review of the Kojic Acid 2% Serum by Coderma. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Saloni and in today's video, we are diving into an exciting skincare product, the Kojic Acid 2% Serum by Coderma. So, let's get started. So it comes in this cute little 30 ml bottle, and if dark spot, pigmentation or uneven skin tone are giving you a hard time, so this might just be your solution. Guys, let's see if it lives up to the hype. This serum is lightweight, non-sticky and absorbs so quickly into your skin. The packaging with this dropper bottle make it so easy to use. Honestly guys, I am already loving the vibe of it. Here how to use it. After cleansing and toning, just take 2 to 3 drops, pat it gently into your skin and you are good to go. I personally like using it at night, but if you use it in the morning, so please don't skip your sunscreen because active ingredients like kojic acid need that extra sun protection. Now let's talk about results. I have been using this for a few weeks guys, and OMG, I can actually see a difference in my skin. My dark spots are lighter and my skin feels brighter and it's so much smoother guys. And you know what, I didn't irritate my skin at all. No redness, no dryness, just happy skin. So guys, I would say yes, it's super affordable, effective and gentle, which makes it perfect for anyone dealing with pigmentation or dark spots. So guys, if you are thinking about trying it, so go for it, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more honest reviews. Bye for now and see you in the next video. Bye bye.